3. Okay, it's given on page number 88. रेनू gave 2/5 of the trophies to मीनू. रेनू ने 2/5 trophies मीनू को दी and 1/5 of trophies to शीनू. और 1/5 trophies किसको दे दी? शीनू को. What fraction of trophies did रेनू give away altogether? मतलब दोनों को मिला के कितनी trophies उसने दे दी. It's very easy because the denominators are same. जब denominator same हो तो ऊपर के numerators को सिर्फ add कर दो. Here it is 2 plus 1 3. There is 3 upon 5. That would be your answer. Okay. So that you can do it by yourself. I am moving towards question number 4. Question number 4 states, Paul walks 6/7 of the distance to school. Paul 6/7 distance चलती है. पारुल walks 5/15 of the distance to school. और पारुल चलती है 5/15. Who walks more? कौन ज्यादा चलता है? तो बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस करो. बट यहाँ पे we don't have numerator or denominator same. So what we need to do? We need to take out the LCM. Okay? Let's do it. Paul and Parul. Now you need to take out the LCM. Very easy. Still I am doing it over here. Twenty-one and 21. So LCM is 105. Now सेवन के टेबल में 105 कब आएगा? Now many of the students would not be knowing this. So what we'll do? Simple. इसको भी हम लोग करेंगे 15 के साथ ही. Yes. Now what you need to do is you need to minus it. Okay. That is denominator same हो गए. Okay. Now 90 minus 35. That's it. This is your answer. पेज नंबर 88 के ऊपर ही ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 था. Now we'll do question number 5. Angel read 20 pages of a book containing 60 pages. मतलब टोटल कितने पेजेस थे? 60. Paul read 30 pages of the same book. तो उसका डिनोमिनेटर भी सेम ही हुआ. तो 20/60 and 30/60. When the denominators are same, it becomes very easy to do the sum. So what fraction of pages of the book did they read all together? All together addition करना है. 20/60 plus 30/60. That you can do it by yourself. We'll move to question number 6. There was an Independence Day function in a school. School में Independence Day function था. 18 students out of 30 participate from class 5. Now, let's read first of all. And 25 students out of 35 participated from class 5B. Which class had greater fraction of student participation? किसका ज्यादा था? Simply subtraction करना है. That is 18/30 and 25/35. Denominators को पहले सेम करना पड़ेगा. LCM निकाल के ये आप कर सकते हो. This you can do it by yourself. Adya got 5/6 of the cake and Asim got 3/5 of the cake in a party. Sorry. What fraction of cake did they get in all? दोनों को मिला के कितने में केक उसने मिला? So if you check out over here, you need to do simple addition, but वहाँ पे आपको LCM निकालना. ठीक है? So 5/6 and 3/5. This is for you all. जिसको नहीं आता है देख लो एक बार वापस से. 2 3s are 6, 5 ऐसे 3 1s are 3, 30. ओके. ये वैसे यहाँ पे रूल भी अप्लाई होता है कि जो डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो, ठीक है, दैट शुड बी, उसको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करो तो यू विल गेट द एलसीएम. ओवर हियर 5/6 इज इक्वल टू 15 6 5 5 5 is 25. 3/5. 6 18. So 25/30 plus 18/30 is equal to 43/30. This is your answer. There is 5/12 of pizza left in one box and 3/6 of pizza left in another box. How much pizza is left in all? तो टोटल कितने पिज्जा बचे हैं? ठीक है, तो 2 बचे हुए हैं, को ऐड कर दो, कहते टोटल बचा हुआ. Vipul swims a lap in 5/3 of a minute. Shubhi swims a lap in 2/4 of a minute. Who is faster and by how much? कौन ज्यादा फास्ट कर रहा है और कितना ज्यादा? सिंपल, माइनस कर दो, यू गेट योर आंसर. A water bottle contains 2/3 liter water. How much water will be left in the bottle after taking out 1/2 liter water for drinking? 2/3 लीटर है, 1/2 निकाल दो तो कितना बचेगा? सिंपल, माइनस कर दो, यू गेट योर आंसर. किशोर wrote 11 stories. किशोर ने कितनी स्टोरीज लिखी? 11. 5 of the stories were on natural calamities. में से 5 natural calamities थी. What fraction of the stories were not on natural calamities? तो कितने स्टोरीज natural calamities में नहीं थी? Very simple, minus it off. Simple minus. माइनस है, यहाँ पे तो कुछ करना भी नहीं, ठीक है। So this is your checkpoint 6.5 students. Very easy sums are there which you can do it properly by yourself. एक चीज बता दूं, Zoom क्लास में once you complete this work, you need to show it to me और हम लोग आंसर्स चेक करेंगे, okay? So in the next lecture we'll start with multiplying fractions. So till then